What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Bav Life. Yep, got just me today, alone, and you guys already know what's going on. Installing Section 3 Rogue Engineering exhaust. Now I'm actually on my way to the exhaust shop. I would do it myself, but man, those flanges and, you know, off the stock exhaust and everything, they're all rusty. I really don't feel like cutting that and welding that myself, so just gonna get my local exhaust shop to install it. It's all right, not too bad.
It look good. Nobody can tell the years.
Yeah, what's your name?
Innocent. Like,
Innocent?
like when you, not guilty, innocent.
Oh, Innocent. Okay, I got you. So we got Innocent here, and I guess he's really feeling the car.
Yeah,
E46?
yo, listen. Look at that shit. It's so beautiful. You see? And then you can't even believe it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. It's a BMW.
Yes,
see?
sir.
Look, you see, let us see. This is life.
Yeah,
that's
man.
why we're here.
Of course.
Enjoy it.
Of course. BMW, that's what we do.
See? Telling you the truth.
Of course.
Listen, first of all, I'm a short guy, right?
Uh-huh.
Right, 5'3".
Yeah.
And then look at me.
Of course.
You see?
Hey, yo, the color fits you, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Thank you.
Yours, just like a Beamer, Ferrari, Lamborghini, you know, like Mercury.
Yeah.
This is the way it is.
Yes, sir.
Make the money, enjoy your money.
Of course.
That's what it is.
All right, so we got to change the scene here. The last place I couldn't fit on their lift, so now we're at another one of his locations, and I'm just gonna get it installed over here. You know, we couldn't let the Bav Life bro's gonna miss this moment right here.
Come on, man.
Yo, dude, you guys gotta see how heavy this Section 3 is compared to this Rogue Engineering. Oh, do you hear that?
Just didn't reach at the floors, bro.
Yeah. But, yeah, so, like I said.
He's had it for months.
Oh.
Just touch it.
Recap.
He's had it for months, and I finally got him to put it on.
I told you guys that in the video. Yeah, so now they're just trying to figure out how to get it to bolt up to the stock Section 2, because obviously if we don't have the Rogue Engineering Section 2, then it doesn't bolt straight up, so they're gonna have to cut and weld. I didn't really want that, but it is what it is.
Yeah, man, we're the best muffler man in 5 boroughs.
Yes, sir.
Ask anybody about us.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's what we do. Yeah.
Yo, they hooked it up. I'm not gonna lie, they hooked it up. You guys in the Yonkers area, check out Neperhan Discount Mufflers. Yo, they got good pricing out here. Thank you guys.
All right, you're welcome, my friend.
Not bad, huh? What you think? Good?
Good, yeah. While this car come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right.
You're good, you're good.
That's crazy.
got some friends.
I know. You're gonna come look at that. I need that diffuser ASAP.
I gotta look at it. I didn't see it.
What do you think, Felix? Are you happy?
Yo, I love the sound.
Your
Honestly speaking, it's not too bad.
Tips look good.
The tips look good.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I just need a diffuser. Sounds good. It's really deep. I mean, I can't really hear from like the outside how raspy it is, except when I'm like passing cars and stuff. But honestly speaking, I like it. I like it a lot. I'd say money well spent.
I like these tips better though.
Oh, yo, we can
Stop! Get some help.
Yeah, please get some help. Get some help.
Need a lot of help.
Yo, comment in the comments below which one you like better. Please don't tell me this Laguna one is better because we're gonna have problems.
Is it as loud as you would have liked it?
No, it's not. Honestly speaking, it's not. And for a lot of people, this probably answers a lot of questions for people that have stock exhaust and want like, you know, an exhaust that's making a little noise. Usually, I guess if you go like a Section 3, you're not really gonna get that. Just a Section 3, you're not really gonna get that the loudness you want.
Yeah. But
I'm eventually gonna probably go like Callus or something like that. Like change up the exhaust a little to try to get a little more noise out of it, but just not too crazy. Callus headers.
There we go.
Oh, I hear the rasp already. Does it burble?
Hopefully not. Well, final thoughts. I love this exhaust. Sounds great. I'm keeping this Section 3, but I'm gonna play with the exhaust a little more, see if I can get it to make any more noise. I guess it's a little raspier than I thought it would be, but like honestly speaking, it's not overly raspy. You know what I mean? So we got fans right here. Let's get the fans in the video. Hey. All right, we got fan number 1, fan number 2. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. We're having fun with this, so definitely, you know, let us know if we need to improve on anything. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.